For how the hell is already this late now? I don't get it. I really don't get it. How is still how is it already this late? I'm just watching tutorials, following tutorials.
that we name head, and
What? Wait, what? Oh shit, no. So I play.
now we need to add a head node to the player. It is going to be a spatial node.
Okay, a special node that we can put up here.
that we name head, and
Mm, is that where the camera is going to be? And
underneath it. So while it is selected, we also create camera. And let's move the head up.
why is it down here? Why is it here? Uh, camera.
So that it is in a correct position, like so. The reason we need the head node is that it is going to be responsible for rotating the character.
Okay. Oh, snapping to snap, I have to press Control. Like that.
Around the y-axis. It will allow us to look around horizontally, and camera is going to be moving around vertically. Now that we have a basic player scene, we can link it into the level. Click the link.
Save the world. Yeah, I really need to know about this.
Button to import the player.
Oh, we press the link button and then the player will just fucking appear here, just like that. Okay, I get it now. I freaking get it. That's how we link stuff. Okay.
Inside of the scene. Now all of the changes to the scene are going to be reflected in the player node. We
Yeah, I
can
know.
position it however we want. Let's run our game for the first time, and Godot will prompt us to select the default level that is going to be open whenever we run the game. We are going to select the level we have created.
Wait, you didn't create this level with me, bro. Like, oh god.
Now we are staring at the world through our character's eyes. Because we have added a camera,
It doesn't matter. I can still do everything. Okay, kinematic whatever thingy. Mm, mm, this is this one, right? How do I duplicate then? I forgot. Duplicate. Change type copy C. Duplicate CD. Okay. Uh, Control D. It's the same with like What's the problem? Like, whatever. Okay. Come on, man. Come on. How does this work? Obviously, I'm gonna there. Okay, let me make sort of a dome. Uh, okay, this is how it was. It start. Let me reduce this. Yeah, like that. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's
To the
go.
player node, it is automatically used as the default camera inside of the level. The next step is to add a script to the player so that we could write some code. Click on the add script button. The script will be
Player, add script.
automatically named player and placed inside of the player folder, and we will select a template called no comments so that we do not have to delete the comments manually. We call create.
Mm-hmm. Here we start. This is so difficult though. I'm just watching a tutorial, trying to follow a tutorial and try to make something, start a project, a game project. Okay.
And now we are ready to write some code.
Yep. Let's do
First,
this.
we are going to need to create some variables. I will just
Var.
copy paste the code so that you do not have to watch me type.
What? Oh, okay. Nice. That's very good. Okay, var x export var acceleration is the name of the acceleration is equal to 100 export var friction equal to 0,85. Let me just copy this. Okay, copy. Gravity. Gravity. 80. Uh, what jump? Jump power. Why is gravity 80? This all doesn't work. Okay. Mouse sensitivity. This one was done very well, man. Okay.
These variables will control acceleration, friction, gravity, jump power,
I
and
know.
mouse sensitivity. That's pretty self-explanatory. Each variable has an export keyword before it. That allows us to access these variables through the player node. When I click on player, here in the inspector we can see and modify the variables we have just created, which is extremely convenient. I have set these variables to the default values that seemed reasonable to me when I was experimenting with this project. Next, we will need convenient access to the head and camera nodes. To do that, we create two unready variables. Unready means that this variable will be assigned after the player and the scene has been created.
Okay. Let's put it on 10 or 9. On ready. Variable. Head node. Head node. Wait, what? Head node. Head node is equal to head is equal to like that. Is that? Oh, it works. It works. On ready. Var camera node is equal to $sign add camera. This makes no sense whatsoever. Why do I already have a head and camera whatever thing already?
We are using $selector that selects the nodes relative to the player, because this script is attached to the player node. So we have a head node and a camera node. Finally, we need to declare variables that are going to hold our current velocity and the change in mouse position. That is going to be useful when we are trying to get our player to look around. We are going to create...
Okay. Wow, this is like the best tutorial ever, bro. Okay, var velocity is equal to vector 3. Should be vector 3. We're on 3D. And then, yeah, whatever. Thingy. Input set the value for change whenever mouse move. Okay. Input. Input. Dzula nazwo zwidanto. Yep. Assets. The value for a change whenever mouse moves. Okay, fair enough. Aim this and that. Aim applies the change during physics process var Nah, okay, go the mouse. I'll have to finish this later. I have to go somewhere now. Oh shit. Okay, I'm out. We'll finish this later.